Yes. Teacher, good afternoon.
I should just go and then get prepared for my shop, my business.
No problem.
I'll see you again.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
There's nothing wrong with me. There's nothing wrong with me. What I just need is help. Okay, if anybody here can help me, I need funding. I need funds so that I can put together and then pick myself up and move forward. That is what I need. I do not have a spiritual wife. Please, this is not spiritual. This is financial.
You are a very handsome and attractive man. Even the physical wives, they are all running over you. Talk less of the spiritual ones. Let us break this yoke once and for all. Admit that there's a problem somewhere, so we can gather together and solve that problem.
I refuse to admit and I maintain that I do not have a spiritual wife.
And I maintain that I will not continue to harbor you in my house. Now, listen to me. You better have a think and obey their instructions. If not,
I'm not going to get a river. I'm not going to get a river to go and wash my head. There's nothing wrong with my head.
hey Josena, one who does not have a pot on his head does not break anything. And that means that if you have no fault, no problems, you shouldn't have issues with the ritual.
I don't understand why we have to pour libation and pray kola nut every time somebody brings a problem to the village. You see, that is why people are not moving forward. I don't understand. There's nothing wrong with me. Must we look at everything from a snuff-head point of view? There's nothing wrong with me. What I have is problem in business. People have setbacks. Things are normal. And I've come to my kinsmen for help. If anybody wants to help me, fine. If not, leave me alone. I'm never going to bow my head to some spiritual priestess somewhere or one priest claiming that who told you that I have a spiritual wife? Please, if you are going to help me, help. If you are not going to help me, Daddy, just leave me like this.
Oh. You see, I will not come back and talk about this matter again. You see what I've said? You see what I've been saying? If he's not possessed, why will he leave? Just stand up and leave and abandon the elders here? It can never be done. He is possessed. The only thing we need to do is to change left and put him into the Ngele River for cleansing. Hey. So this is how all the investments we made on this young man, this is how they are all going to waste? Can you imagine? Okay. But I must assure him he will never have peace in this village. That's all I know.
I want to make this place your home. This very place.
Interesting.
You know, you're the only female that has ever stepped her foot in my bedroom.
Really? You expect me to believe these words you're saying from your mouth? You're making me blush. All the same, thanks for the exclusive treatment you gave to me.
Marry me.
Come on. We're just getting to know each other. Don't be in a rush.
I'm afraid of not seeing you again.
Don't worry. You will definitely see me again.
For coming.
₦5 million?
Yes.
Thank you so much. You are such a gentleman.
No, come on, princess. It's nothing. You're gonna get more. And more.
Thank you.
Barbecue?
Yes.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fertile land, already cultivated. You so much love money, pass this your
Get up. Thank you, Your Highness. Why have you not been following my daughter? The princess demoted me, Your Highness. Demoted you. And why is that? Because of what happened that day? Yes, Your Highness. Do you really know that man that fainted in front of the palace? He's Mr. Andre, Your Highness. What? Where is he now? Is he still at the hospital? No, Your Highness. He has traveled to London to further the treatment. He had a cardiac arrest. Thank you so much for being so nice to him. I'll call to check up on him. You may go now. Thank you, Your Highness.
You know what I'm saying? She's a very good girl. Very, very industrious. She's a girl that has not messed herself up. Odesumoke. She's still very good. See, if you doubt me, ask people around, they will tell you. And that is the truth.
Ichie, I don't understand why you're telling me all of this. Because I don't have anything going on with Adamma. Adamma is just a young lady in this community who sells, things that people need. Toothpaste, recharge cards, soft drinks. And I buy from her and I pay. And that's it.
See, gentlemen, the other day I saw you are standing with her. I saw the perfect couple in two of you. She suits you so much. She suits your personality. Just look at the height, the color, everything matches. You will make a very good couple. Two of you will make the world go round, round, round.
Ichi, all these things that you're saying, did you forget that I have a relationship with the princess? What is funny?
Did you just say the princess? How can you be saying things like that? Don't you know that princess now is way above you? She's no more in your class. I know that in those days when we heard that you are abroad doing well, she wanted to click with you. But now, the way it is now, go for your match. Adama is the best for you. I'm telling you, princess is way too expensive. I don't know, can you maintain her? You don't have the money to maintain her. Look at Adama. She's your type. She's a girl just standing out like you. They look for people who are in your class. Adama is in your class. If you marry her, both of you will make a perfect couple. That is what I'm trying to say. Oh, that girl, Adama, my brother. Even ask your father, he will testify to you that she's the best, one of the best in this village. She will suit you very well. Okay, with the Kuragano. Manyakwan, are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. Just think about what I tell you. Think about it. You will know that I'm making sense.
It's okay, Che. I've heard you.
It's okay.
It's fine. I'll think about it.
Just think about it. You will love what I'm just telling you. Oh! Agazi. Oh yeah. How no. Let her get out of the house for me. Hey.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Me and Chesa. And so what is in your time? I have come to see the princess, Your Majesty. Now leave my palace. I said leave my palace.
Your Highness, please listen to the young man now.
Imagine he wants to marry my daughter. And my daughter has rejected his proposal. Did she tell you? No, Your Majesty, she did not tell me. Okay. Hear it from me now. She said she used to be interested in your relationship. But as I speak, she said she is no longer interested. Did she tell you how is this, Your Majesty? She said you are wretched. She said you are broke. You can't even afford 2 million naira.
Your Highness, please. Those are very harsh words.
You see, he wants to lead my daughter to poverty. 2 million naira, ordinary 2 million naira, he can't afford it. So she told you that I asked her to. Are you asking me? You're asking me? I'll leave my palace.
What you are doing to this tutor, I hope you live up to this outcome. It's too much. Are you wishing me dead? No, yourself, are you wishing me dead? Oh, my God.
Jesana, I have told you I cannot give you that money. My father's company is experiencing a low turnout. I cannot help you with that money. I also need money. I actually requested 1 million naira from my girlfriend. As a matter of fact, I am just responding from her place. And she did not give it to me. Everybody needs money. I cannot help you with that money.
Amalicha, I want you to tell me to my face that you and I cannot settle down as man and wife, that you cannot be my woman. Just say it to my face. I want to get it straight from you.
Isn't it obvious? There is no way on earth I will settle with a man like you. Look, I cannot stoop so low and get married to someone like you. It's demeaning to my personality. You don't have money, you don't have anything, you don't have any plan at all. How do you expect a woman like me, a princess, to settle with a pauper like you? My body maintenance costs 500,000 naira. Can you afford it? No, you cannot.
No, I cannot. I didn't know that this love was for sale. So without money, you can't be with me.
Isn't it obvious? Every woman loves money. No woman wants to settle with a poor man.
Every woman? I didn't know it was every woman. I thought it was just a bunch of irresponsible women. I didn't know you would generalize, but it's fine. Thank you for letting me know that you can't be with me. Thank you for also telling your parents that I ran to you for 2 million naira. You forget yesterday.
Hey, you! Come here. The next time you open this gate for that trash, you will lose your job.
Women are not to be trusted. That gender. Nah. You put your heart there, they kill you. Eh? What did I do? Who knows tomorrow? Madam, give me water, beg. Eh? What did I do? That things are rough today does not mean it will not get better tomorrow. No, once a man just has a little shaking like this, oh no, they kick him to the curb. Give me biscuits.
Which of them do you want?
The chocolate one. I don't understand. Can you film me? No, tell me, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? These things happen in life. People are going through a situation. People just treat them anyhow. Is that right now?
You're going through heartbreak, oh. Please, calm down.
I'm trying to be calm. That's why I told you to give me water.
Okay, sorry. Do you want to sit down?
If you have to, give me now.
Okay.
It's a fellow woman that put me in this situation. I don't understand. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Take, just calm down.
Okay. I hope I won't be blocking your shop.
You can stay here. Just calm down. Oh? Calm down.
Yes, boss. Boss, you see, I told you, boss. I told you she would fall completely. I told you she was gonna fall flat. Exactly my point. Boss, the main problem is that this girl is very materialistic. And she has I don't know where she got that from, like her taste is so high. And then she just needs a man that's gonna spend all his money on her. She's just all about the money. She's too materialistic for my liking. But you're not gonna believe this. She's really, really, really into me as we speak. Like she even wants us to get married. Like she wants me to come see her parents. She just wants to push everything. Like, no, I'm even trying to slow things down, but then she's like pushing and everything. Okay, no problem, sir. No problem, boss. Oh yes, I'm still looking into the car. I'll take the car to the workshop and get it done, sir. Just give me a few more time. I'll get it done. You know, I'm shuffling. It's okay. All right. No problem, sir. I'm still on point. Or I'm still in check. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hey Jojo, how are you? You missing me? I know, I'm missing you too. You want me to come over? You know I'll do anything for you. Let me call you back.
Oh, Malisha, has it gotten to the peak where you talk to your father about everything?
Mother, why are you advocating for this man?
I am not advocating for him. Is it not enough? You sent Andre to the hospital in the UK. Now ex-Chesona is trash to you. A man that sends you millions every weekend. Even if you hate him to the extent of not marrying him, it's 2 million naira too big for you to give him and shut your mouth. A man that gives you everything. He gave you everything, Malicha. Hey!
Oh goodness, Mother. I think I'll have to leave this house for you and go somewhere else and clear off my hair because you begin to get on my nerves. Even if Chesona spent millions on me, I will still not marry him. Don't you get it? I don't love him anymore. It's Jojo I want.
Malisha, you know what? I give up. I give up.
What is this now? Papa, you're daring me. Papa, you're daring me. You're daring me. You're daring me. I don't like what you're doing. I am done daring you. Now leave my house. Go and live with your spiritual wife. Leave. Where do you want me to go?
Where do you want him to go? This is his father's house.
This is my father's house. What are you talking about? Eh? I have disowned you a long time ago. So you better defender me.
No, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like what you're doing.
Who cares?
I don't like what you're doing.
It's okay. It's okay. I have seen the kind of father that I have.
And I have seen the kind of son that you are. Sorry, you are not my son anymore. I'm not your son. You are not. You are not.
I'm not your son.
You are not.
It's okay.
This is gonna be for piano, no, brother. Papa, stop this thing now. You better go bring my son back. I don't like what you're doing. Brother. I said, Papa, you never stop this now.
If you don't want it, go and meet him. Go and stay with him.
What is this? Stop this thing you're doing. You better go bring my son back.
Your
bring him back.
Okay. It's alright.
Where do you want him to go? You don't have to my son. You don't have my son. I will not take it with you. I will not agree with you. You don't have to me.
Go and do the needful, so that you can go back to your flamboyant status.
What needful, Uncle? What everybody is saying, do the needful, do the needful. What needful? I'm not under any kind of spiritual spell. I'm okay.
You want to start arguing with me now? Or you want to start arguing with the gods? You see, you people who went to university and went to big countries, you come back here and definitely you don't want to understand anything, whether good or bad. Eh? Look at what you're doing to yourself.
Look, please. Look, all I need is just a roof over my head. Let me stay in one of your rooms. You know, while I run around and see what I can gather, so I can get back on my feet. Let me see what I can raise.
The money will yield nothing. Nothing as far as I'm concerned. Because you can't be chasing rats in your house. Meanwhile, you leave the rat hole open. What makes you think that the rat will not come back and come and eat your food? And still go back? You have to go to the water princess and do what you have asked to do. So that you can free yourself.
Oh, please. Allow me to stay in your house. Please.
know.
Rejects me, you cannot reject me too now, Uncle, please. Uncle, please, now hear me.
If you were still a kid, I would have given you the beating of your life. Huh? Where will your stubbornness lead you to? Where?
What did I do? Huh?
You colossal waste.
Uncle, today you call me a waste.
Yes! Why would I call you a waste?
Uncle, why would you call me a waste? Have you forgotten yesterday, Uncle? I helped you. I helped you. I was your favorite nephew. I helped you. I gave you money constantly. I took care of your health, Uncle. You used to praise me. You used to sing my praises, Uncle. You used to call me Odogu.
You see, that has been your problem. That is your problem. We cannot leave the head and break the neck. Because the problem is in the neck and not the head. Eh? You need to change your mind and do the needful. Echosana, stop living in the past.
Okay, Chief, you see this guy's house. The house was just smiling. I'm telling you.
So the house is so big.
What is big? The house is massive. You see mansion. In fact, the house is sexy. How can you even say house is sexy? Come and see wonderful treatment. Although the princess was just forming, but she ate. She enjoyed herself, so she was just eating. Roasted meat, drinks. In fact, all the delicacies were there. You know the painful thing, the one that shocked me. What is that? Tell us now. Even though it's a drop of the drink or one piece of meat, she didn't give it. At all. I was just standing there like a dumb. But as soon as she entered inside, man, just one fine guy. Like, he was just standing there, and maybe he just looked at me and asked me, do I care? I didn't even allow him to complete before. I just said, gathering anything. I enjoyed myself. If you see the roasted meat, very spicy. Spicy. I enjoyed myself.
You don't know that. You know, come and eat in my gym with me.
That is why I didn't bring food. Because you're bad mouth too much.
Don't mind.
You enjoyed yourself.
I don't know how to thank you, but God will bless you.
Amen.
Thank you for allowing me to stay here with you.
It's nothing. Sincerely, you're welcome here.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Amen. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I'll just see my kid sister off.
It's okay.
I'll be back.
I'm waiting for you.
Thank you.
It's fine.
Father, I'm happy.
But do you know that if the Igwe dies now, this man will be the Igwe? I mean, the less Igwe.
No, he's not the unknown. No, it's not who that is.
But anyway, I just have this urge in my mind of spirit to help him. I don't know. I just want to help him.
It's good now.
Go inside and get water for him, take it back.
Okay.
Jojo.
Yes.
You made me fall in love with you so easily and so fast. I can't believe I spent the night with you.
This is what I've always dreamt of. very first day I set my eyes on you, I knew you were going to be my woman for life.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you more.
Michael. Mike. Mike. You didn't hear me calling your name?
Sorry, my princess, you called.
Give me barbecue.
Apologies, my princess, but Usman is fast asleep, but it will be ready first thing tomorrow morning.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Get out!
Sorry.
Stupid thing. You don't understand where they got this bunch of nuisances from.
What's going on there?
Ask Michael to get me barbecue. He was telling me stories. I am a princess. Anything I want should be given to me. That's why they call me princess.
But you know it's late.
You're saying I'm not going to get the barbecue? I want it now.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fertile land, already cultivated. You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people everywhere. Everywhere. They don't care at all. Butaku Kelisa, that's who they are, not me.
Oh, my son. My son, oh, my son, oh.
Mama, stop. Stop.
Nate, you will not understand. You will never understand. How can my son leave my house to go and stay in a total stranger's house?
Mama,
and you're telling me to stop?
Mama, I told the brother is fine. He's fine.
How do you know he's fine?
And Adama is not a stranger. Chika was my classmate. And she's also my bosom friend. They assisted us. So brother is fine. Please stop crying.
I'm still not liking it. That is not where he's supposed to be. That is not his father's house.
Mama, stop. Stop.
That is not his father's house.
Mama, so it will not affect you or else. Please, stop. Mama.
When did somebody become a cry?
Amalita. Where is this? Amalita.
Where are you coming from?
Yuri, are you aware that your daughter is not in this palace?
She's not in this palace.
She didn't allow me to follow her, Your Highness.
She didn't tell you where she was going to.
Yes, Your Highness. Sister? Sister? Huh. What are you thinking? What is it?
I've been thinking about Mr. Echeverry.
What happened to him now?
There's this friend of mine that wants to put his taxi on for air purchase. So I was thinking I should tell him to give it to Mr. Echeverry, you know? I don't know.
Yeah, no, it's a good idea now. Very fantastic. You will like it.
Are you sure? Yeah, I don't want him to feel that I'm embarrassing him. You know these Londonian people that have traveled.
Sister, leave London. Try as Londonian people. You will like it. It's a very good idea.
Are you sure?
Who doesn't want to make money? You will like it now.
You are sure? Okay. I'll just try.
No, you like it though. You should do that one for him. He will appreciate it.
We're going to and get beverages for breakfast.
I will take egg too.
You like food?
I like food. That's what you say. You don't want me to eat.
Don't finish on my egg. Egg is expensive now.
You have mind. Eh? Since our son left this house, he's not even bothered to find out where he is. Eh? How do you want now? It's not good though.
Which son are you talking about?
I mean your only son, Echezana.
Moa. Son. I have no son. I only have a daughter. It is that daughter I'm waiting for. And she's the one coming. Come here! Come here! Idiot. Where are you coming from?
Nah, have you forgotten? You forget things easily these days though. I told you I sent her on an errand.
Will you keep quiet, woman? Am I asking you?
Sorry. I sent her on
Yes,
an errand.
you better be sorry. Tell me, you left this house this morning. This is afternoon. Where did you go to?
Papa, I went to see my grandmother.
Oh, your grandmother. Is it the living one or the one that is dead? Or you travel to the land of the dead to see your grandmother, Ekwa?
No, Papa. I went to see my mother's sister. That's my godmother now. Mama sent me to her.
Oh, you went to see your grandmother, then your mother's sister, then your godmother. So which of them?
My godmother, Mama's sister.
Your godmother.
Papa.
Good. Now I will go in there, pick my phone, and call your godmother. God help you if she says she has not seen it. I will so bulala you with this cane, until you pee on your pants.
Papa. Now you take it easy now.
Let me go and make you home for this job.
Amara, she come. Don't worry, I've already done my part. So how is your brother?
It's fine, it's very fine.
Are you sure? Mama, hope Papa will not beat me with that cane.
No, it's
Hey.
It's okay.
Hey. So how is he? Is the machine?
No, it's alright, Ma.
Is he feeling well?
Yes, it's alright, Mama. And Chakama is taking care of him.
Are you sure?
Yes. Right. Papa, that cane.
someone watching your back. If your father is coming, I'll tell you.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fatal land.
Good morning, Dad.
Where are you coming from?
Father, I'm coming from a friend's birthday party.
You went for a birthday party and you did not find it necessary to tell any of us.
I'm sorry, Father, it skipped my mind.
Skipped your mind. Next time, make sure you let any of us know about it. Is that right?
Yes, Father, I'm sorry.
Go up and freshen up.
You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people, everywhere. At all, Butaku Kelisa. That's who they are, not me and them at all.
You said you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, Your Highness. I love her so much and I'm willing to make her my wife.
And so what do you do for a living?
I'm into oil and gas. I have my company, ENET Oil and Gas Limited.
ENET Oil and Gas. ENET Oil and Gas. Could it be the same company that has a branch in Qatar?
That is correct, Your Highness.
You are the owner of ENET Oil?
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh my God. This is quite impressive. You see, I like young men who are upwardly mobile, industrious, go-getters, and you're welcome once again. You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, I want to marry my daughter. Yes, and you can get your kinsman. Tell them to come.
Thank you so much, Your Highness.
Yes,
I'm really humbled.
That's nice. That's nice. So, what about the business environment in Qatar at this point?
Well, Your Highness, you know, Qatar.
So, I said I will discuss it with you first to see if you like it before I go on with the plan.
I love the plan. What are you talking about? Why are you waiting? What are you waiting for? You want to hire taxi for me? No. So that I can be driving. That is what you said.
It's like hire purchase.
I don't mind now. It is work. It is work. I'm going to do the work. Look, let me tell you something. At this point in my life, anything that is going to put money in my hands, I am going to do. As long as it is legit.
I was thinking that you don't like the plan.
How will I not like it now? A broke man like me, do I have any choice?
You used to be a Londonian, so I was thinking.
Forget that thing. This is a good idea.
Okay, fine. I'll just call the man and tell him that you're coming.
When are you calling him?
Now.
Call now. Get the phone. Why did I think of this all this time?
I am not going to accept him into this house until he goes to English River and perform the sacrifice. That is all I'm saying.
We agree with you on this one. But what we're actually saying that it's a gradual process. Huh? Like the slow and steady that the snake uses in passing through tops. You cannot reject him.
You are speaking as if I rejected my son. I didn't. All I'm saying is that he should respect me. He should respect you. He should respect all of us and do the needful.
Oh, by asking him to leave the house.
Are you asking me that? Huh? Okay, why don't you accept him into your house? If you are so concerned.
We are respecting you because you are our elder brother.
Oh, yes.
We know what to do.
Are you threatening me? You are respecting me. Okay, no problem. Take your respect. No, take it. Because the only respect I want from you is to go and tell that boy to do the needful. Let him go and perform the sacrifice so that he can be free from that spirit wife that has eaten up all his wealth. That is the only respect you can give me. Don't you know that if he marries the princess, he will automatically become the king?
That is when Igwe Agu would have passed on, right? Because he's still alive.
We know our culture. We know, but there is no but in this. Okay? Now, let me tell you something I do. A poor man cannot marry the princess. Neither can a poor man become the Igwe. I mean, that is the whole ideology behind it. You created that ideology by yourself. You created that ideology by yourself. A poor man can marry whoever he wants to marry. Okay, let me ask you. What if our family is extremely poor and it's our turn to produce the Igwe? Are we going to say because of poverty or extreme poverty that we will not do the needful? Please let us cajole each other. Let us pamper him to come back and do the needful. Please, I am not going to pamper him. I will not pet him. All he needs to do is do the needful. He should go and perform the sacrifice so that he can break himself free from that water wife or spirit wife that has eaten up all his wealth. That is my point. Simple.
Are you aware that he's living with a girl?
And how is that my business? If he likes, he should go and stay with the devil himself. My business.
Okay, it's not a business. No. As far as I'm concerned, I think we should go and get a job.
That is the most important thing here.
That is what to do. That's what I think.
You can think anything, but not to my house.
Nine. Please listen to your brothers and stop treating our only son like this. It's not good now.
You think those words will move you? You're only joking.
Now, why are you so happy? It's obvious you are just after our son marrying the princess because of the crown.
Oh yes. If our son marries the princess, if the Igwe dies, automatically he becomes the king. Okay? And what will I do? As you know, I will just seamlessly hand over the Onowu position to Iraq. Which means the two important positions will just be in our family. See that strategy?
Oh. Now you know what? You're just confusing and mixing things up. Wait, are you after the crown or restoring our son's wealth or playing vengeance? Which one are you focusing on?
All of the above. All of the above. We will restore our son's wealth. Okay? We will get the crown, and at the same time, I will get my pound of flesh from the Igwe, and that is called vengeance. Can't you see?
Then, in that case, this is why we should sit our son down and explain things to him.
He knows everything. Our son knows our tradition, custom, everything about our kingdom. He knows. So there's nothing to explain to him. I'm a strategist.
Why not try and get him into the company? You know what that means to us. Our gross profit will be enhanced. And I have always dreamed that you're going to marry a billionaire. And I'm proud of you.
Father, it's a gradual process. I know what I'm doing. I dream of taking over his company as his future wife.
Exactly. That is my dream too. And I can't wait for it to happen.
Can I ask you a question? Let me just say this in presence of your father here.
Go ahead.
This man in question, Has he seen your nakedness?
Angela, why would you be asking her that kind of question? You think my daughter is cheap? No. No.
Father, let me answer her. She's my mother.
Igwe, the question was not meant for you. I was talking to my daughter here.
But the question still remains nonsensical. And I will not approve of it for you to ask my daughter that kind of question. She's not married to him yet.
Mother, the truth is I have not slept with him.
Good. Good, that is my daughter. It is the man that wants it, and that's why he is desperate. He wants to marry her.
The tortoise said I can only defend the baby in my womb. But that trap at my back, I will not. That is a proverb and also a lesson.
Father, why is mother always cruel towards me?
Leave your mother to those side talks in the name of proverbs. Yes, you are the princess. You know your worth. And there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Adam, when a content in a container is opened and finally seen, perhaps not at the right time to be opened, the value of that container must surely drop. This is what most men do to women like you. I can beat my chest to say you have slept with that young man. I hope he maintains the momentum and speed he is craving on you.
But I'm not a cheap whore.
Omalicha, I have lived life. I've dwelled in life. I've enjoyed life even before you were born. Your lies are meaningless to me. I just hope you don't end up regretting your life.
What kind of a mother is this? Gosh.
Our car is here.
Yes! Oh my God! Wow!
So fine.
Brother, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
So fine.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations.
It's white.
Yes,
Like
it's white. Oh, you're smiling.
Yes, because I'm happy.
I know, I see.
I'm just so happy.
I know, I see you smiling and it makes me so happy.
I can't hide my excitement. I'm happy. I'm very happy.
It's a good feeling, sincerely.
Thank you. You see, you know this is all you. This was all your idea. I mean, I was just roaming around in this loafing. I didn't know what to do with myself until you came up with this brilliant idea. And now see me smiling. Eh? You're just a gift from above. You know God created women, you know, to be our support and our help in times of need. You have been nothing short of an angel. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you just blush?
Yes, kind of. You have a way of, you know, with words, and then it's fine. I'm so happy you're happy. Like, you know, you can actually save up money to just go back to London and start a new life or something.
Leave London for now. Let me work.
Let's not talk about London. I mean, this is beautiful and it's just upon me now. Let me hustle with it. Let me see how much I make. You know, who knows?
But I trust you. You're hardworking, so I'm not doubting you. I know you do something great with this.
Yes, I will.
Okay, I'll give you money.
For what?
Well,
no, you have done enough. I have money for petrol in the car. Stop.
I insist.
Stop now.
I'll give it to you. You don't have a choice. I'll put it under your cup.
I'll bite you. Why are you so stubborn?
I'll bite you back. Okay, fine. Let me just go get you food, yeah?
This woman.
What?
Don't you think you've done enough for me already?
I've not even started. I'm coming. Hold on.
I'm not skinny now. I'm okay. I'm not complaining. How am I looking in your eye? This guy, you're busting my brain, oh. Don't confuse my destiny. Isn't she just so lovely? Yeah, she is.
Uncle Luke, tell them that I'm not coming back to that house. I'm not coming back to that house. I'm not coming back to your house. I'm not going to the house of any of my family members. I will not do it. Leave me alone.
Mbano, it is not right to live with a woman or a young girl. It is salty.
It is what?
It is salty.
What kind of English is that? I don't care if it is peppery. What I care about is my peace of mind. I am staying where they treat me like a human being. Do you understand? I came to you when I didn't have a roof over my head. What did you do? Did you not cast me away? Did you not reject me?
I did, I'm sorry, but
now you're sorry.
Come back. Come back, Aguna.
Stop now. I don't like this come back talk. It's not going to happen. Go back where? To a house where they tell me I'm being disturbed by marine spirit, that I have wife under the water. Is that what you people said? You people come up with all kinds of fetish jargons. How I am being followed and tormented by some marine spirit. That's what you said.
Please, Mama, come back. I'm your relative. Just come back.
Okay, you see this our talk here is wasting my time and is wasting your time. I'm at work. You saw me now, you stopped me here. I've not met my daily target. I have to impress my Oga. Hi. Who knows if I do well with this one, if they'll give me a bigger car and you're here talking about come back. Please, that part of my life is over. Please. Hi. Please. Tell them I'm not coming back.
Hi. That was a PhD. Oimu. It cannot be like this now. It cannot be like this. Hi.
What's wrong? You look very unhappy. You need some money?
Why have you not come with your people to ask for my hand in marriage? We've been dating for 6 heckin' weeks. What is going on?
Oh, come on, girl.
Come on, girl. Really? You now address me as girl. For real?
Baby, I am sorry. Okay? Listen, I've been busy. Very busy. Trying to secure one contract to the other. You know how these things go.
So, why have you not responded to the last conversation we had concerning my father's company?
Babe, please give me some time. In fact, I'm going to work with your father's company and things will be great again. Listen, babe, I have plans. I have big plans. And it's just a matter of time before I show them to you. on, baby. Come to daddy.
No.
Baby. Okay, let's go. Come to the bed, let's talk about it. Come here.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Oh my goodness. Put me down. Leave me alone.
Right. Let's go talk about it.
Baby, I'm missing you already.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon.
Sure. Have a nice day at work.
I will. I'll call you.
Mm-hmm.
I'll take that.
Okay. Bye.
Don't miss me too much. I'll call you.
Alright. Mike! Michael! What were you doing inside?
I was washing my clothes.
Washing with Oga's clothes. When my room is outside, come on, go in my room and leave that clothes.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fertile land, already cultivated. You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people everywhere. Everywhere. You don't care at all. Butaku Kelisa, that's who they are. Not near them at all. They are dangerous, dangerous, selfish people. They are dangerous, dangerous, self-centered people. They are dangerous, dangerous, selfish people. You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people. Everywhere, you don't care at all. Butaku Kelisa, that's who they are. Not near them at all. They are dangerous, dangerous, selfish people. They are dangerous, dangerous.
See how you are enjoying watching?
Yes.
Let me watch now.
No, don't worry.
Let me just help you.
Don't help.
Okay, let me wash the tires.
No, I'll do myself.
Why did you even learn how to wash cars?
I can do anything.
Because you're almost doing a good job.
Yes. Nothing there.
Okay, just spread your rag. Just you don't have to fold it that way. Just
This is good. This is good. This is wonderful and perfect. So good.
Adama, nke a magbuola onwe ya. Hey! What is so good and what is so perfect?
Both of you. Just look at how perfect and good that you people look. Young man, what are you waiting for? Ask her to marry you. Marry her and take her away with her wahala. No, she's not a wahala girl. She's a wonderful young lady. Very good, peaceful. If you marry her, both of you are a perfect couple.
What is your problem? What is going on? Is there a problem?
My son, I don't have problem. I'm just praying for you two to be husband and wife. Marry her. You know I told you this long time ago. Hey. Yes.
Uncle, you know you are one evil man. You are the devil's incarnate. Yes, Uncle, because just leave my father's house. Boy, back it out. Because I'm begging you, just live here. Live here now.
Adama, don't you want to marry? Adama, look at you. All your mates have married. Your own is to carry a man and put in the house to live with you. Adama. Hey! My son, marry her. She's good. She can cook.
She can wash, as you can see, she's doing that already. Just marry her and it will be perfect for you. Hmm? Oh my gosh.
Uncle, I know your plans, but your plans will not work.
How?
Yes, Adulam, how? Oh, I marry her, so you come and stay in my father's house. Abi, you cannot be in your own house. Uncle, please. Your plans will not work. Leave this place now.
Adama, come jog, Adama. You're not ashamed of yourself. Adama, it's already what all I can. Adama, marry and live here. Let me occupy my brother's house. This is my inheritance.
Do not walk. What be your house? It's my father's house. You can't make a neighbor. In the homeless children. Do not stay here.
You can't do it.
You can't stay here.
Adama, allow me. Adama, my son, marry her. Be short. Don't pay bride price. Just take her home. We dash you.
You're shouting.
Uncle, live here. Sema, live here.
I'm praying for you.
I'm not going to do this.
When I'm praying for you.
Come on, stay and occupy. Come, baby.
Oh my God.
That is the reason he wants me to leave this house. I should probably just get married and then leave. He wants to come and stay here with his family. I would not let that happen. Instead, I'll give this place out to homeless people.
But wait, slow down. What about his own house? Wait, are you trying to say he does not have a house?
No, he doesn't. He stays at my grandfather's house with his family.
Ah! Now I get the gist. He wants you to... This is funny.
Very funny.
So he wants you to move out. You know, just get married and just move out. You know, the house is now empty. Then he can now move in. That's what he wants.
But that won't happen.
Why would you say it won't happen? What would you get married? Eh? You two get married. Now get married so that you can move out and allow the man move in with his family. What's your problem? Help him.
I will not do that because he's a very wicked man. He's a wicked man.
Leave his wickedness aside. That's on him. Let him eat his mischief. Look, you're a good person. Okay? A good person should be a good person. It does not matter. Let me tell you something. Whether you like it or not, that man is your family. If that building collapses on him and his family members, you still not be happy. You will not be happy. And then your emotions will be all over the place. Left, right, and center. So if you can accommodate him, give him a roof over his head, do so. Right? Forget about his weaknesses. That's on him and his God. You're a good person. Do not allow the wickedness of another man pollute your good heart. Okay? Just do good. It's fine. Let people talk. Naturally, you shouldn't bother yourself about people's reaction. Naturally, people would always judge what they don't understand. It's human nature. Please.
Okay. Okay, if you say
so. If what?
But
Be nice.
Hello? Yes, good afternoon. Who is this, please? Oh, Mr. Andre. How are you? I'm fine, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you too? I'm fine. It's been long, sir. You are in Nigeria? Oh, yes, I still work in the palace. Okay. Okay, you call me back later. Okay, sir. Okay. I'm so happy to hear from you, Mr. Andre. Welcome back. All right. Bye. Mr. Andre. Let me save his number.
Are you serious? He called. Do you know that when he called at first, I didn't know he was the one. Until I picked and said, hello, who is this? He said he was the one. I was happy. Wow. So what did he tell you? Nothing much. He just said he will call me back again tonight. Yeah. I'm very sure he won't forget about you. Eh?
I'm very sure he misses you so much. But I believe he might get you something. Maybe money or car. For taking care of him now.
Car! What will I be doing with a car in this palace now?
That this one.
I beg go.
That you like as if you dey give to a car now, you won't collect.
Anyway, that one is not my problem. My problem is that I want to leave this palace. I don't want to work here again. If I can get any other job anywhere, I'm fine. I just don't want to work here again.
Me too, my sister. Me too. I'm tired.
Anyways, you did not follow the princess today.
She doesn't want me to be following her anymore. She's scared now. Don't take a look at me. I don't need to. See full package, oh. See now. From up to down. Oh. Forget this material. She doesn't want me to end up snatching her man. The man of my dreams. Don't you know me?
Igwe, have you noticed something?
About what?
About that young man that said he's coming with his people to ask for our daughter's hand in marriage.
What about him?
It's been a while we heard from him.
Woman, I have financial problem to deal with. I have my company to think about. And forget about people who are trying to know themselves before they get married.
He was desperate at first. Why did he suddenly grow cold?
I said I need money. I need money. And you know that's going to affect you.
Okay, Igwe. If I may suggest, why don't we talk to our daughter? She can talk to the husband-to-be to help us.
Allow me to enjoy my wine. Woman, allow me to enjoy my wine.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm so sorry I came home late. You see, it's been a long day.
What's this on your face? Have you been in a mechanic workshop?
Oh, that. You know, my car had issues on the road, and I tried calling the mechanic guy, but he wasn't responding, so I decided to fix it myself. It was a minor issue, by the way.
You can fix cars?
Like I said, it's just a minor issue. You could fix it yourself. It's nothing.
Okay.
Did you have something to eat?
I'll just need this kid so you can get to join me.
Okay, I'll just pick one. Yeah, but I'm gonna go upstairs right now and shower. Why don't you join me?
Sure.
Let's go. Hold up a second.
Like what? What are you telling me?
You have no idea already.
I want to see you. We need to talk.
Mama, if you want to see me, you know where to find me. I cannot come to the house. So it's not a problem. We can see and talk, but not at the house.
Okay, I'll come here.
It's okay, Mama. No problem.
Drive safely, oh?
Of course, now this is the job I do. I'll be safe. Please, when you finish on the market, let me know so I can also come and pick you. So I can drop you here.
Chai. Hey, I miss you.
I miss you too,
miss
Mom.
you. I'll call you.
All right, Mommy, call me.
All
right, bye. Thank you. Sweetheart.
Eche. You brought my goods for me?
Yes, I said let me bring the goods for you.
Why now? You would have brought it for me with Keke.
I was free now, I decided to bring it. Hey. Leave it. Stop. I came this far. What am I done? Thank you. Hey!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me get your money.
Which money? Come back here. What money? Money for what?
For bringing them for me now.
You want to pay me? Adama, respect yourself. Respect yourself, I'm telling you now.
Okay, let me bring your food.
The food. Thank you very much, I'm okay. How is market?
Fine.
You're sure?
You don't want food?
I don't want food. I'm okay.
Check now.
Now. Adama now. I'll see you later.
Why are you angry?
Don't ask me. Don't.
Please become princess. You see, everything I'm doing for us. For our future.
If truly you want us to be together, then you have to do what I say. I have told you to stop using protection on me. I don't like it. Stop it. But each time I tell you, you always complain. Stop complaining.
Please understand. I don't want you to get pregnant before our marriage.
Does it really matter? You know what? I've seen you don't love me. Why am I fooling myself around? You know what? Let me just go to my father's house.
Princess. It's okay. I'm going to prove to you that I love you. And I want to make you my wife.
I'm a princess. Treat me like one. If I tell you to do anything, do it and stop complaining.
Come with me.
see my son. She's a good girl. I like her. Yes, I want you to open your heart to love again and know what you've been through. But there's always need for a second chance. This girl is a nice girl. She's hardworking, industrious, and caring. Imagine she even helped you get this car. Ah, she shorted you. What else do you want from a woman? Hmm?
Mama, can I think about this? Mama, let me think about it now. Let me think about it. Of course, everybody knows that Adama is a good woman. You know, she's wife material, but I've been through a lot. She helped me, no doubt. She helped me to heal and all of that. I understand, but give me some time. I need to know her more. Do you understand? Yes, I need time to know her more so that I don't make a mistake the second time.
Jason, I understand you perfectly well, but you see, there's no need for that. I know I'm a woman. When I see a good woman, I know. You see, getting married to this girl, you will see doors will open for you. You know, you've always told me that you will bounce back.
I will bounce back.
Getting married to Adama is what will make you bounce back.
Ah.
Try it now. You don't know when you marry a woman that loves you, opens doors for you.
Okay, Mama, slow down. Campaign manager. Let me think about this. Okay?
Because think yours is so. It's
fine. How is Amarachi, by the way?
Oh, Amarachi is fine though. She went to get something for your father.
Ah, okay. That's fine. Okay, so
but I hope you're fine.
Mommy, I'm okay. I'm working good.
I'll come around.
Okay, man.
Adama, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with me? I don't understand how I'm feeling. I just called him now, right? I feel like calling him again. I always want to hear his voice. Anytime I see him, my heart skips. I don't understand how I'm feeling.
Good afternoon.
Sister, you're back?
So, are you fine? Are you sure you're okay?
I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
You will not understand, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay.
Okay, well, I'm cooking tonight now. Came to carry what we'll cook tonight.
Oh, okay. Let me just call Lectures and ask him what to eat for dinner.
Hey. Okay.
What's that?
Nothing.
Your face front. What? I will slap you. I'm a boy.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fertile land, already cultivated. You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people, self-centered people, everywhere. At all.
Joe, are you in the bathroom? Joe.
You so much love money, past this your life. Greedy people.
He had an urgent call and he told me to tell you when you wake up.
Urgent call? To where?
He didn't tell me, my princess.
Hello, father. You want me to come home? Is there a problem? It's okay, father. I'll be there shortly. Get me a taxi.
Oh, my princess, what about your car?
Get me a taxi!
Sorry, okay.
Love is a beautiful thing. Can't you give love a chance? I thought they say love will conquer.
Calm down, please. Don't tell me to calm down. You do not tell me to calm down. All my money, my hard-earned money, my company, and everything will go down if we don't do anything about it right now. So that's why I want you to call your daughter to tell me the kind of business she did with Yellow property. Everybody else called her.
And she said she's on her way home. Why don't you calm down and allow?
Why are you telling me to calm down? I told you to call your daughter. You are telling me to calm down.
Just calm down, Igwe. Please.
Where are you? I told you to come back to the palace. What are you saying? Come back to the palace right away.
If we just calm down, please. She will soon be here.
You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You don't want to work, you just want to eat. You want a fatal land already cultivated.
Ma, the camera is here.
Let him in.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma.
You're the cab man?
Yes, I am.
Take me to the palace.
What business did you do with Yellow properties?
Father, nothing out of the ordinary. Same business.
Are you aware that I stand the risk of losing money? The money that I worked for?
How do you mean, Father?
How did you get in contact with them?
Okay. But I met them on a flight. On my way from Dubai to Nigeria, I and Andre. We gisted, exchanged ideas, and we exchanged cards.
And is Andre aware of this?
No.
Hi! Hi! Oh!
Father, is there a problem?
You should be smarter than this. Monica, you should be smarter than this. How could you be doing business with people you don't know? You don't know their background? You don't know their business history? How could you do this?
Father, I've been doing business with these people.
You've been doing business with these people? And they're not on Google? And they're not on Google?
Father, relax. Give me some time so I can look for them. Because the way you're shouting and you're getting me all confused. Your money will not lose, I assure you. Just give me
I'm losing money. I'm losing money. I'm losing money.
Andre is not picking his phone. I can't find these people on Google. I can't find them. I'm finished. Andre, pick yourself, call! Amaka! Give me my car key! Hurry up!
I summoned both of you for this meeting to let you know that I'm seriously missing my son, Echezona.
Huh?
Yes,
You're missing Echezona.
yes. You see, what I need most right now is for him to come back. You know, I'm supposed to be a good father, a forgiving one. You know, rather I behaved stupidly, you know, by not forgiving him for what he did and receiving him as my son. You know, so I need him to come back, to come to my house, his father's house, so that we can all, you know, rise again as one big and united family.
Hey!
Yes.
God, I thank you for a day like this. Hey! Chineke nekele.
This is good news.
Hey, Nai!
This is actually what I've been waiting for.
Nai, thank you.
So can I go and meet him and ask him, even beg him to forgive us and come back?
Yes.
Yes.
Ha! Nai, thank you. Thank you again. Hey!
I'm ready to beg. Ready to beg.
Ah,
So that you can come.
this is a great day. I never knew. Father, I thank you.
Did I hear you well?
Your father is willing to sell the company outright, then I'm willing to buy.
Joe, you know we're getting married, right?
Princess, listen, marriage is marriage, and business is business. Don't mix it up.
Wait, do you know what you stand to gain if you get married to me? Do you know how people will see you when they hear that you're married to the princess?
I know I stand the chance of being the king of your kingdom, but that's only when your father dies. And he's not dying anytime soon. I don't even want him to die. By the way, I'm not even interested.
You know it's ridiculous for you to say the only way you can help is buying my father's company.
And you do not think it's ridiculous to ask for such a huge amount of money?
Joe, we are getting married. Soon as we will become family.
Hey. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Nice to see you again.
Same here.
Okay, if you don't mind, can we go somewhere to talk?
Okay.
Are you sure? Right.
It's fine. Fine.
Adama, you have become the light of my world. For I have gone through darkness, and in you I have found light. It is often said that at the end of every tunnel, there is light. You are my light. I have been thinking of my life, and thinking of the possibility of living that life without you in it. And I just cannot see my tomorrow without you. I've come to ask you to marry me, so that with you, I can spend the rest of my life. And I'm hoping that you say yes, so that you can make me the happiest man alive at that point. Woo! Thank you. It is, huh?
Is that a proposal?
Yes, it's a proposal. I have finally made my choice. Malicha. And that person is not she. She's the one that I have chosen to be with. She's the one that would complete me. I know you might want to debate that, but I assure you that in the next couple of weeks, you'll know more about her.
Anyways, that's not why I'm here. What do you want and why are you here? I want Andre's number. Can I have it? Okay then. I'll just call him first and ask him if I should give you his number. Call him. Now.
So what do you say is your problem?
I said that I'm not working here.
If you're not working here, what's my business? Come tell me about it.
I just wanted to...
Father, I'm finished. The bank just called me that someone has hacked my account. They wiped all my money. Father, what do we do? They're trying to take over the company and everything is going down. What do we do, Father?
Oh, manager, I told you. Up.
Father, Mother! Ogechi! Father, don't do this. Ogechi! Father, don't do this now. Father, right away. Hurry up, Father. Father, don't do this. Father, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Hurry up! Father, what do you want me to do? Father, don't do this to me, please. Father, somebody help! Hurry up! Mom! Father!
Petrus, we are one. One happy family. Please return home.
Please, stop talking about my return to that house. It's not going to happen. Please. That point in my life is over. As a matter of fact, I'm going back to London with my fiancé. We have our own plans. We now have a life. Do you understand?
London? Are you not coming back?
What do you mean London? Am I not supposed to have plans for myself? Did I ever tell you, Uncle, that I am going to rot and die in this village? Is that what I told you?
Please, we are begging you. Just come back.
Please.
Just come back.
I still have
We have realized our mistakes.
I still have respect for you. Don't push this any further. Please, I beg you. Let this matter rest. I'm not coming back. Tell them.
How can I be what happened? How did it happen? Let us do our finance for ourselves. I hope it's not true. Let us do. How can
So, what happened?
He had a shocking news, and that was it.
Shocking news. What kind of shocking news will make the Igwe go down like that?
It's a family matter.
Family matter.
Oh,
This is terrible. Okay, can I see him?
sure, he's upstairs.
Let's go.
inside him. Don't let me see it. Hey! Chimo! You're pregnant! Hey! Marita! You're pregnant! Are you happy now? You are happy now? Almighty King! Look at yourself! Look at yourself! And your precious daughter has been impregnated. Look at the result! The so-called battle has run up to God. Look for the buyer of your company. Just look at yourself. Everything is about money. Almighty way.
I am not interested in any crown of any kind. I am not. I mean, how else do you want me to explain that?
Ray, I am pregnant for you. This is what all men want. My father is sick. Make use of this opportunity.
Maybe I'm built different. But I don't want to become a king. As a matter of fact, I don't want to get into any marriage now. Stop me. I'm here, busting my ass off, researching, looking for a buyer to deliver your family from death. And this is what I do.
Joe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Joe. Joe.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, Your Highness. Who is the lucky man?
He's Okay, Chief.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
You look good. Thank you. Sit. Mother. Good. I saw a car and a mopole outside. Who came with them?
It's okay, Joe. She's getting married.
Nice. Yeah. Congrats, Ogechi.
Thank you, my princess.
What?
What is it?
You're getting married to Andre? How? What's the connection?
I took care of him when he was in the hospital. That was after your breakup experience with him. And along the line, we fell in love and we're getting married in 2 weeks' time. What's wrong? No, sorry about that. Give me the card. Congratulations, my dear.
Hey, you.
Congratulations.
What are you doing here? Keep your fucking husband and then work. Nonsense. I'm happy for you, oh?
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Don't worry.
My love, please, I want to beg you, forgive your father. I beg you in God's name, please, let everything slide. Let's free your spirit. He's your father and you cannot change the fact. I beg of you. Please, I beg you in God's name. Forgive him, please, my love.
Adama.
Yes?
Do you think I have a spiritual life?
No. I do not think so. My love, listen. A man is bound to fall. And after such, rising comes. It is just a phase. It will pass, definitely. So I do not think that you have such. No, I don't. And my love, listen. I'm here with you. For you. I'll be by your side always. I'll cheer you up. I'll be your backbone, your prayer warrior. I'll build with you. And we will come out stronger together. We will not fall again.
Adama.
Yes.
I never fail. I am still who I am.
My son, how are you?
Mama, he said he's not ready to father a child yet. I'm scared he will dump me, Mama.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. I understand. Please. I believe you have learned your lesson now. I believe you have learned your lesson in the way that you understand. I told you the story of a container and its contents. How we should listen to me. How we should never let the first man Andre. And I still wish you loved Echezona unconditionally. Well, you have come to understand that what mattered the most is peace of mind. Just look at your father. If he dies today, we are leaving this palace. And this same Echezona will be made the next king.
Mama, I have cried, I have begged him, I have done everything for Joe to marry me, but he refused to listen to me, Mama. I thought being pregnant for him would trap him to get him to marry me, but obviously it's not working. How?
It's okay, my daughter.
My friends will laugh at me. Oh, Mama, Joe doesn't love me. Obviously, he used my body. He has used me and he has dumped me, Mama.
It's okay. Omali-chan, don't worry. I will invite him and I will speak to him.
Mama, invite him. Oh, my friends will laugh at me. Oh, invite me. Oh,
it's okay.
Mama,
It's okay,
invite him.
daughter.
I'll convince him to marry me, please. I cannot stand this shame and disgrace. Mama, please. Please, oh, be cold. Oh. Hey, hey. Oh, God.
I don't want to rush into marriage. I need to take my time.
Are you aware that my daughter is pregnant for you?
I'm aware. I'm not disputing that. But you see, I need time. That's all I ask for. Besides, there are more important issues to discuss rather than the pregnancy. I found a buyer for the property and they promised to come by the palace tomorrow so we can deliberate on the main issue at hand. And maybe after then we can talk about the pregnancy.
Joe, I'm not begging you to marry me. Just look at my father. I'm only trying to save the crown. I will be the Lolo, and you will be the Igwe according to the tradition of our land. Please.
I am not interested. I cannot be trapped here. I mean, you can't possibly impose your personal desire and wishes on me. No. It cannot happen. The buyer and the lawyer will be here tomorrow.
You love money. If you go nanya, you want flashy things. But it's not the best. Oh, love is a beautiful thing. Can't you give love a chance? I thought they say love will conquer us all. Why can't you give love a chance? Why can't you give love a chance? Okay. Mama?
So as you all can see, I am fine. I am still who you, should I say, knew me to be. I am just fine. I did what I did for a reason. You see, there are different stages in life, and as a young man, it's a new stage and a new phase in your life where you have to pick a life partner. The meaning of that is somebody you're going to finish the race with. And for me, I have chosen to be careful about making that choice. We're all aware that I have a relationship with the princess, but the information reached me at a good time that she had left the man who she was involved with because I am richer. And that made me wonder, if at any point in my life things go south, she stand by me. So I decided to come up with all of that drama and false impression about what I was going through, just to put her to the test. And as we all can see, her true colors played out. And we are here. Had I not done that, I would have made a mistake for sure. And the essence of finding true love would have been misplaced. So forgive me if at any point I caused you some kind of harm. I had to do what I had to do. Now that was me doing the needful, eh?
Chai! That is too much. You actually made us to believe that you had serious problem with your business.
Yeah, but if I didn't do that, like I said, the purpose of finding true love would have been defeated.
Now I see why you rejected the princess's revelation.
She was fake.
Fake! That woman was original fake. You see, my son doesn't have a spiritual wife. But nah, you went too far. You pulling that stone.
You went too far.
I think I went too far in finding true love.
Aww.
And it has paid off.
Yeah.
And I am happy to announce to you that my relationship with the princess is over. And I have decided to embark on this new journey with Adamma. She's a woman of great virtues. She's the one that I want to make my wife. And I'll be counting on your support and your prayers.
My son.
Father.
First of all, I need to thank you. You know, I really went too far. But mindful in the negative sense. I was supposed to be a loving father. I was supposed to stand beside you, whatever the situation. Okay? So rejecting you was very bad on my part. I want to thank you for having a forgiving heart and coming back to me. As for your request to stand behind your decision, you can be rest assured that whatever decision you reach, whatever thing you want to do, whatever length you want to go, we are all behind.
Thank you.
Very well. Sorry.
Thank you.
And now I can say, you are welcome.
To your home. To your home. Welcome back. Welcome, my brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
Why did you invite Uncle? Do I have a choice? They say he's the head of the family. I don't have a choice.
That is what we've been praying for. I'm happy for your late brother's daughter.
I don't know that this day will come. Let her marry so she can who is collecting money? The young man is poor. What I want him to go, just let him make his intention known. I will tell him to carry her and go.
Maybe he's just unnecessarily happy, and I know why. Because he wants to take over the house.
You think I don't have my plan? I do have my plan.
Look at them. Dala. Hungry man. Expecting money, and they should come and give him money.
Even the younger sister will follow her. Then we can live with him. That's it. Hey.
I hate this man with everything in me. So awkward.
It's a big tongue.
With his round neck and head, ugly thing.
Who is that? What is that? What is it? I don't know.
Oh no. Mama, what does? Oh no. Oh no.
Ichokoro.
Hello, himself. How come? No, sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down.
Anywhere. You're welcome.
At least let us speak first.
My love. You are welcome. Hello, how are you? You. Come.
What happened?
Nothing happened. Nothing happened to me. Listen, this is the real me, okay? I had to put up all that disguise and portray that identity that isn't mine because I felt the need to do all of that to find true love. I'm a man who's been through so much to make it in life. And getting into the next phase of my life, I do not want to end up the right person. But fate brought us together. And the events of the last couple of months have proven that you're a woman of many virtues, and I have decided to bring my parents to come talk to your uncles so that I can take your hand in marriage. I know how you feel. Relax. I know that this is all new, but you're going to get used to it. Your uncle is very unorthodox ways made it very clear that you're the one that I should be with. I am glad that I listened. I'm glad that fate brought us together. And I really love to marry you. Come on. My parents see the smile on their face.
Whatever in my soul, that it was real.
If we're going to be first Gakita. Hey! Okoro. Okay. Better go and apologize to Adama. If the husband put you in jail, you remain there forever.
Hey! Nam, I never knew that this young man is this rich. I never knew.
Hey! He's not only rich, he's smart and tricky. And Adama is lucky to have gotten a man like that.
Nana, so I have gotten a rich-in-law. A very good one for that matter. Ah! God, I thank you. Hey, more.
Don't conclude yet, Okoro. Until you go and apologize to Adama. Do you hear me? Alakwamo.
Because you would kill joy.
Because I will not follow you to face the punishment.
You would kill joy.
Alakwamo. Alakwamo.
Alakwamo.
I know kiss happen.
Nana. Nana. Nana.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Jojo, where is the buyer you said was coming?
Please be calm. They will get shortly.
Don't tell me to calm down. We're running out of time. We need this money.
Calm down. Now, please. This is very urgent. Very urgent. We need that money to clear out our debt. Look at my husband. Please. Where is the buyer?
Your Highness, I promise you he'll be here shortly. Okay.
What's going on here?
Well, he's the buyer. And also the CEO of ENET Oil and Gas Limited. My boss. And he basically owns everything that I claim that I own. He owns everything.
You lied to me, you bastard!
He's innocent. You know, I've always doubted your love and loyalty for me, so I chose to play this little game. And see what happened. You failed. Face down. I came to you pretending to have lost everything in life, to have lost hope, self-confidence. I came to you pretending to be broke, not to have food on the table. I came to you when I didn't have a job, when I struggled to put a roof over my head. And what did you do? You cast me away. Even your family here did not help me. But then you went ahead to get treatment for my boy. That's my mechanic. How ridiculous. I want the cars to be in good shape. Huh?
Yes, sir.
I trust that you'll do a good job. You come highly recommended by the company.
I won't disappoint you, sir.
That's okay, then. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I'll be on my way, sir. Thank you.
Jojo.
Sir?
Listen. It's okay. I have noticed that you speak quite eloquently, Jojo.
Sir, I'm an engineering graduate, and I try.
Clearly you try. Apart from what you do now, what else can you do?
Well, I do basically everything. Anything I can lay my hands on. Anything positive just to stay alive.
I like that. Can you act? I'll explain. Can you disguise as a big man? Can you play the role of a rich guy, you know, and make it believable? You understand what I mean?
Yes, sir. I can. Sure, I can.
Give me a moment. She's a princess. She's my woman. But you see, I've been in this country for over 3 days now. No one, not even my close relations, know that I am here.
Alright, sir.
For some reason, I feel the need to put her commitments to me to test. And I want you to do a good job.
Sir, what if she falls for it? I mean, what if she really falls for it?
Then it is what it is, man. It means you're in luck, huh? Go ahead, have fun. It's better that way than hurting me in marriage. Don't you think so? I'm not here to make troubles, Your Majesty. I'm here to let you know that I am going to clear the debt. I am going to pay all that money. And one more thing, I'm also happy to introduce you to someone special. Jojo, will you be nice enough to go to the car and get the invites and the drink? Your Majesty, I am happy to let you know that I'll be getting married in a few weeks. And you and the entire royal household is invited.
Whatever a man soweth, that he must reap. 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 No mercy. You must use your senses. You must use your brain for you to conquer. I blew my heart breaking. I blew my breakfast to you. I could serve you well. But you must use your sense. You must use your brain to follow things to you. And why you're so cover by a job. I want to get work. Whatever a man soweth, that he must reap. Whatever